What's going on, guys? We're back with another video today. You guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. Give this video a big thumbs up. You guys, I'm so excited for this one because we got Chick-fil-A. I was craving Chick-fil-A, honestly, today. I was just like, oh my gosh, Chick-fil-A sounds good. So today we got Chick-fil-A. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is this? This is a spicy deluxe. You guys, they gave me an extra, I asked for 2 medium waffle fries, and they gave me extra. They gave me an extra, so I got 3 in total. So I got a lot of fries for this video. I'm not gonna pour them all because I still gotta put the mac and cheese. You guys know how I am with my mac and cheese. Woo! I'm so excited. Wait, did they give me? No, they didn't give me a. Oh my gosh, they did not give me a. Oh no. Oh, they did. They did. I was gonna say no. I was about to go back. Oh my god. Oh my god. This burger looks so good. Where am I gonna put the mac and cheese, you guys? I just put it right here. Oh, please don't. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, we're gonna tear this up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this smells so good. Smells so good. It's all steamy. Oh my gosh. Let me. Okay, so I was having trouble opening them like always, but we open them. You guys, let's eat. I'm hungry. You guys, the weekend is here. I can finally rest from work. I had a long week at work, like stressful. Yeah. So what are you guys doing this weekend? What are you guys' plans? Like, what am I doing this weekend? That's the question. What am I doing this weekend? Not really doing nothing. I don't know, just rest. During the week, I'm like always like either I'm at the gym, playing basketball, I'm working. I think next week I'm gonna go to SeaWorld with my daughter. I'm gonna take her. She's been wanting to go. Man, we got a lot of fries. Man, there was a big line. There was a big line to get my food. I was gonna go to the drive-thru, but I seen the line. It was huge. Guys, just to show you guys, we got the deluxe here too. Woo. You guys, I'm in a good mood today. I hope you guys are in a good mood today too. Oh, some ranch. Let me open this, guys. Let me see it if I don't struggle. Always struggling. Why is it so hard? Oh, I got it. Got it. Look, guys, we got more fries. I'm telling you. They gave me a bunch of fries. They gave me some. Oh. That's it. Fries are good. Waffle fries. Oh, let's put some sauce. Oh. That is good. That is a good burger. Well, I meant to say chicken sandwich. Oh my God. Oh, they gave me another Chick-fil-A sauce. It was really good on the burger, so let me see if I can open this one. So I told you guys, always struggling, but I got it. Ooh. Yes. Yeah, I'm making a mess here. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. I wanted to ask for a larger drink, but they don't have any. I don't think so. Because I asked for the meal and they didn't ask me what size. They're like, okay. And the ranch is good too. Oh man, no barbecue. Ah, burger's falling apart. Ah. Oh well. Oh my God, that was good. I got the hiccups. Alright guys. Oh my gosh, this was so good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate the love. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to get more videos like this. Give this video a big thumbs up. Have a good weekend. Peace out.